Hello, welcome to our interactive web page that explains the differences between the PRDS and car purchase contracts. This site is intended to help you understand the two most commonly used purchase contracts here in the peninsula of the Bay Area. The first contract is the California Association of Realtors, or CAR contract. Most realtors across the state are familiar with this form as it's the one that's primarily used statewide. The other form we'll talk about on this webpage is the PRDS contract. The PRDS contract has been specifically tailored and made for the peninsula and is oftentimes used anywhere from South San Francisco down to Campbell and Cupertino. Over the last few years, these contracts have gotten much closer and closer to one another. It's evident that the creators of the contracts use and borrow ideas from each other in order to make the best possible contract for our real estate transactions. Some of the biggest differences we see are in the as-is provision. The car contract actually has the as-is provision built in as a default provision. On the other hand, the PRDS contract has the as-is provision as an optional issue. So whether you select the as-is provision or not in the PRDS contract will greatly affect other portions of the contract. Another difference comes to the demand to close escrow. The PRDS contract does not have any such form or requirement for the seller to demand the purchaser close escrow. On the other hand, the car contract has a specific form that's required to be used if the purchaser is failing to close. There are some other stylistic and technical differences with the contract, such as the size of the font, the appearance, and also the organization. For example, the PRDS contract actually has all the contingency periods and timing in one easy-to-find location. On the other hand, the car contract spreads the contingency periods out throughout the contract as they come up. Both contracts are sufficient and have advantages and disadvantages, and it depends on the particular circumstances as to which contract you might want to use. We hope that you find this webpage helpful in understanding these differences and look forward to interacting with you and hearing more about what you think about this webpage and any questions you might have. Thank you all, and we look forward to hearing from you.